Welcome to Donggongon town, where the sun kisses the ground. Tamu buzzes with its daily beat, a place where strangers and neighbors meet. Colors burst and voices sing, vendors hawk treasures they bring, fruits and crafts and tales untold. Every corner a story unfolds. Donggongon's heart is wild and free, a rhythm that flows like the Sabah sea. Step right in, let your soul unwind, in this town where life's unrefined. Children laugh as they chase the breeze, under skies that whisper with the trees. The market hums with life's embrace, every stall a warm smiling face. Here's a spot to let time go slow, sip the air and let the